Hi friends, today we are going to Lifetree Nature Adventure Camp which is in Kanakpura. बोलो बंसी वाले की Lifetree is about 80 kilometers from Bangalore, near Kanakpura. It will take roughly 2 hours to reach there. It's not a resort, but as name suggests, it is a nature camp. Although they have option to stay at night in tents or basic rooms, we decided to avoid night stay and opted for a full day trip. Today weather is awesome, almost perfect for picnic. Kanakpura road is quite scenic and feels even better when you are coming out of concrete jungle. Road has some good patches, some bumpy patches due to ongoing road widening work. It's been an hour since we started and we decided to take a tea break and enjoy the weather next to this very scenic lake. We are expecting a lot of activities like trekking and cave exploration, kayaking, zip line, rock climbing, high rope traverse and mud games. They also mentioned they have paintball, but it is not part of the package. We have reached and it's around 9 am. Breakfast is still 30 minutes from now. We wanted to start with trekking to the caves, but we were disappointed to know that we need to be there by 7 am if we want to do so. Generally people stay overnight and then they go for the trek in morning. So we decided to have breakfast before we enjoy water games. Main campsite is next to the lake, but the activities are spread across nearby areas. Kids are very excited for water activities. We will have to walk to other side of the lake for that. Here we are going to do kayaking, zip line and of course jump into the lake and swim. We had a lot of fun. Kids wanted to stay longer and honestly so did we, but we were all hungry, so finally we decided to go back to camp, change and have lunch. Food was simple but fresh. After a break, we started with indoor games and went for climbing activities. Camp staff came and asked for mud games post lunch, but we decided to skip as we carried only one pair of spare clothes and mostly because we were actually feeling a bit lazy after lunch. The campsite is awesome. However, they need to work a little bit on hygiene. Overall, we had a great fun-filled day. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. To follow us on more such journeys, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.